So in this video, you'll learn how to change the theme on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step when it comes to changing the theme is to access the Galaxy theme store. And you can do this in two ways. One of them is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen. And then from here, you want to tap on themes. And then the second is by navigating to the settings app. And then in settings, look for the option labeled themes and tap on it. From here, you'll be redirected to the Galaxy theme store. And all you need to do is ensure that you're in the section labeled themes. And then you can scroll through the different themes that are available for you. So you have free themes, paid themes, you have video or animated themes, all sorts of options for you to choose from. So all you need to do is find your preferred theme and then select it. Once you've selected it, you can view the preview of the theme. So you can see the home screen, you can see the lock screen, you can see how it would look like in different apps. If you don't like how it looks like, you can just tap on the back button and go find a different theme that suits your preferences. Then once you find your theme, just select it. And then if you like how it looks like, tap on download and wait for the theme to be downloaded onto your device. Once the theme has been downloaded, tap on apply so that the theme can be applied onto your phone. And then once it's been applied, you'll be redirected back to the home screen and you can see your brand new theme has been successfully applied onto your device. You'll notice even when you glance at the quick settings that the theme has also been applied to this section here. You can also go to the home screen just to see how the theme looks like on the home screen of your phone. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, or if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.